Hi, this is John, and welcome sa Coded Kwento. So, we've been in an event of the UXPH. It's a little meetup, and it's all about customer experience design, design tools, design principles. Here are the best clips of what happened in the event. So the event was fun. A lot of people were there, mostly well-seasoned UI, UX designers. The best takeaways na I've taken from the event was about the design principles presented by Sir Rock Gonzalez. It talks more about the Gestalt principles of design. Gestalt principles is all about how we interpret things that are in the design, from the text to the button as a whole, instead of interpreting them as just text or just image or just buttons. So basically, this would be helpful if we are trying to create a call to action, the CTA of where and when or what do we want the users of the interface do with the product. Dalawa yung diniscuss ni Kuya Rocky. First is the visual contrast. So we must, in visual design, it must be clear how things are laid out differently, especially on the call to action. Alin ba talaga yung items na interactable or clickable, say, buttons or navigations, instead of those that are static like text and images. In visual contrast, diniscuss dito based on my notes. Aside from colors, the difference of the items in size. So the bigger is more elaborative and the smaller is more or less noticeable. The shape, those that are enclosed with a box rather than those texts that are not enclosed are perceived more as a clickable, and the intensity, how intense the color is, means that it is already active, and how faded they are means that they are inactive, etc. So with those visual contrast things in mind, we also have this visual grouping. So visual grouping says that yung mga principles introduced about the law of similarity, which is we group things based on how similar they are in each other. Another thing is the law of proximity, how close are the things to one another. So the closer they are, the most likely that we are to think of it as one group. The next would be the common area. So it's somehow similar to proximity, but instead, common area is more talking about where they are placed in the said layout. Say for the products, they are placed on one certain area. For the site navigations, they are on the side. For the navigations, they are placed on the top. And these are all based on the psychological factors on why did you decide to place it there. Nabasa ko dati sa Smashing magazines that we, the Westerns, or katulad natin mga Pinoy din, we tend to read things from left to right. That's why it is best if you want to place the most important things on the left instead of placing them on the right, because we start to scheme everything in the web page from the left, then we go to the right, then we go down. Next, we have also the connectedness, how group of things are related with one another. So interaction design or the Gestalt principles have a lot more in store, but you can dig deeper on that. And we also want to learn more about that, thinking how people perceive things, so you can create a better design in your web page or in your web app. So yeah, that's about it for the video for today, and I hope you learned something a bit because this is more of a review, or they call this a reaction video of what I've been in UXPH. So hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't. Click the like button also. If you have any comments or suggestions or questions, please leave it down below. I'll be replying personally to you. Yeah, thanks for watching the video. Hope to see you again next video. Bye bye.